Welcome to this introduction video to the course Database Management for Trading Basic. As a quant, you know that backtesting is an important part of your trading process. When you are working with a few assets, then you will be fine with storing the asset data in Excel files or CSVs. But as your data requirement grows, the size of these files grows as well. And before you know it, you have multiple files which have millions of rows. And if you try backtesting, it takes time and sometimes breaks. Does that mean we don't backtest at all? No, you can use a database. A database is designed in such a way that you can store your data in a structured format so that you can retrieve any data which you want, faster than a CSV file, which you have been using for now. It is also easier to store and update the data as well when new information comes in. What if you want to share the data with your colleagues? You don't have to worry because with the help of a database, you can share the data with multiple users with no risk of having or creating duplicate files. Now you must be thinking, I know Python, do I have to install another database software? Not really. For beginners, you can use SQLite, which is integrated into Python. In fact, you can move further and use SQLAlchemy, which acts like a bridge between Python code and the database. So you can work on Python, and everything is taken care of by SQLAlchemy. As a quant, how do you use a database? First, you create a database, declaring certain variables and structures. Then, you ingest or add your data. This data can be anything: your stock price data, minute level, hour level, any type of data, even your options data or your bid-ask data. Not only can you store this data, you can also update the data with maybe live data or historical data as well. And once all of this is stored in a structured format in one database file, you can then easily retrieve this data. In this course, you will go through the step-by-step process of creation, updation, and retrieval of data using queries, and much more. All the concepts taught in this course will be explained in videos, documents, and we will use Jupyter notebooks to show the working of how you can create, store, and update this data in the database so that you can work on it yourself and tweak it further for your own use.